Hi, thank you for checking us out. This is How to Become a Blogger, a Beginner's Guide. I'm just going to be covering a few simple steps to become a blogger. This is just an overview to give you an idea about what it takes to become a successful blogger. Hi, I'm Cord Crossan and this is Crossan Seas. Thank you for checking us out. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment. I really want to hear from you guys. Also, in the description box below, there's 2 links that I really want you guys to click on. I think it'll help you a lot. It's the Internet Business Startup Kit. It's going to really help you get an unfair advantage over other startups. The other link is my #1 way to make money. And this link is really important because it'll take you to the same guys that taught me how to make my money online. Alright, let's learn how to become a blogger. Welcome to the beginner's guide on how to become a blogger. Simple steps to becoming a blogger. First, and this is very important, you need to find and develop a niche. Before any steps are taken to actually launch your blog, do some research first. Because a blog with no specific direction or niche is not going to draw much attention. In fact, it is recommended to choose a niche that you are passionate about. When you are passionate and interested in the topics you post about, you will stay motivated to keep posting. And people like to see people who are passionate about the things that they are passionate about, so always be interested in your topic. After shortlisting the niches you have experience with and are passionate about, continue to look at demand. Which of these niches are more likely to appeal to online users? A really good hack to find which niches are in demand is to find ones with magazines, because magazines cost a lot of money to make, and if they're still profitable, if they're still in business, that means there's a lot of money to be made in that niche, or there's a lot of people looking for it. Remember that choosing a popular niche, just like starting a blog, will come with competition. All that really means is that you have to get good at it and master your craft. Thus, you might want to think about putting something out there that is not so readily available, but the main point is to have direction and a plan for where the blog is going. Alright, #2, choose a platform and design your blog. The next step involves choosing a platform for your blog. Now, there are several possibilities available and some of them are free. For example, WordPress and Google Blogger are offering free platforms and tools to get your blog going. Even though WordPress limits what you can do with a free account, you are provided with the basics that are necessary to launch your blog. The best part is that WordPress and Blogger are both very user-friendly. However, if you are serious about standing out from the very moment your blog goes live, it is recommended to get a custom domain. While this is not free, you do not require a big budget either. Not only does your blog demand more respect because of a custom domain name, but you also have more control. In terms of designing your blog, try to make it visually alluring without causing disruptions. Too many distractions can send visitors in the wrong direction. You want every visitor to quickly find what they are looking for while every page loads quickly. Alright, #3, start creating content. With your niche in place and your platform ready, it's time to post content. This is also referred to as fleshing out the blog and making it worth the visit. But once again, how do you draw attention through the content you post? Everything depends on the value of the information. For example, when visitors learn something new or when they are motivated to change their perspective about a certain topic, this is when a blog starts to earn value. At the end of the day, online users do not want to waste time on blogs where nothing new is being said. In other words, you have to give them a reason to come back, which is done through your content. If you can share experience or knowledge not readily available on other blogs, you can inspire users to return. #4, always keep visibility in mind. Even though programming or coding is not necessary when you think about how to become a blogger, there are technical areas you should pay attention to. These technical areas are based on visibility. How high are search engines ranking your blog? Are users able to find you via your keywords? Is the blog loading pages without lag, and do you have broken links that might frustrate your visitors? If this sounds a little overwhelming right now, do not feel alone. The good news is that you learn these technical aspects as you go along. Some are more challenging than others, but with experience comes knowledge. #5, be consistent. This is probably the most important one if you're going to be successful. If you want users to take your blog seriously, you have to be consistent, even when you are not generating loads of traffic. Seeing as so many other bloggers come and go, you have to take time to establish your blog. Once users notice you keep posting and moving forward, they automatically pay more attention. As you can see, the steps to becoming a blogger do not have to be complicated. As mentioned, you do not have to worry about coding, programming if you use the right platform. However, you should always stay open-minded while you dig deeper into the niche you choose. And once you have a steady following, you can turn your blog into a money maker. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and also comment. I really like to hear from you guys. And in the description box below, there's going to be an internet business startup kit. Click on that, put in your name and email, and I'll be able to send it straight to you. It's really going to help you get started with your online business. Also, there's going to be a link to my #1 way to make money online. It's going to send you to the same guys that taught me how to earn money doing affiliate marketing. They also teach you a whole bunch of other stuff. It's really awesome. Check it out. Thank you again.